Have you ever tried to look for data, for facts in the web? I have a good friend, he's a journalist covering the mobile industry. If he goes to Google and does a search to get some facts on the mobile industry, he gets a couple of problems. Number one, he gets a lot of links, and those links may take him to very good content, but not the facts he needs. The second problem is that even if he's able to get to the facts, the best he can do is copy-paste that into his document. Third, data never sleeps, so he will need to go day after day and get the data and put it into his document to keep it updated. There has to be a better way. Let us show you how Junar makes it easy for him to find the data he needs, track that data, and use it as he wants. So here's the solution. He now goes to Junar. He does the same search, and what he gets is a lot of links, results, and these results take him to data directly. These are what we call data streams, and these data streams are tables, are pieces of tables hanging in the web that some people have created, right? Here we can see who created that. We can also check the source. So if this journalist likes what he's seeing, he can add these to his dashboard. Now, here's his dashboard. This is the place where he keeps track of all the data that is going to help him writing this article. He can also check if someone in this Junar community has created any data that he may be able to use. So he goes there, he searches, and he finds out that has created a public dashboard where he shares some information about mobile industry. He adds that to his dashboards. And now it's like if he was following the data that is publishing. In his everyday, he goes to a lot of different sites to gather a lot of data, right? He can go to one of these sites, and by selecting the cell, the column, the row, or the full table, if that is what he wants, he can create a new data stream. Now, he gives a name, a description, and some tags, and voila, here we have a new data stream that anybody in this community can now use. So we have helped him bring a lot of data in, but we also allow him to get a lot of this data out. How? He can send that today to export to Excel. He can even embed one of these data streams into his documents, such that whenever the data changes in the source, it's going to change in the document that he's working on. The other thing that he can do is share this via Facebook, via Twitter. And finally, he can embed this into his blog or into his site Google or his net bios.